Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the incognito mode on the Google Maps, meaning that it won't save your browser nor your search history, it won't access your location, and it won't even use your activity to personalize the Google Maps application. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. And now you should tap on this profile icon at the top of the screen in the right side corner and click on the first option, turn on incognito mode. You can see the conditions here, and if you are done reading these, tap on the button close. So now your incognito mode is on, so you are ready to search for places without saving any information or accessing your location. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.